In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a row to a table in WordPress. Whether you're managing content for a blog, business, or personal project, tables can be a handy feature to organize data systematically. Having a structured table makes your site look professional and helps visitors find the information they're searching for quickly and efficiently. Though adding a row might seem like a simple operation, it's crucial to ensure it integrates seamlessly with your overall site design and functionality. First, you want to log into your WordPress dashboard. This is your control center, allowing you to make changes to your website. Once you're in, look for the page or post where you've already added your table. Navigate to the left-hand menu, hover over Pages or Posts, and click on the one you need to edit. Opening the page in the editing mode is the next step. If you haven't created a table yet, you might need to check out our previous videos on how to create a table in WordPress. Here's how to proceed if you've already installed and activated a plugin for table creation. Many WordPress users find plugins like TablePress extremely useful for this task. Once you're in the specific page or post editor, locate your existing table within your content. Click on it to bring up the editing options. Typically, with most WordPress table plugins, you'd have a toolbar appear above or within the table itself, displaying a variety of options for modifying the table structure, including adding new rows. To add a new row, simply locate the option that reads Add Row, or a similar variation. Click on it, and voila, a fresh, empty row appears at the position specified by the plugin, often at the bottom of the table by default. However, if you need the new row inserted at a specific spot, many plugins allow you to rearrange or position new rows precisely where you want them. Just drag and drop to get the desired organization. Before finalizing your changes, take a moment to add the relevant data or information into the new row. Click into each cell and start typing. Taking a second to double-check your content for both accuracy and style consistency will ensure your table looks polished and professional. If you make an error, relax, it's easy to edit your content as WordPress saves your progress. Once satisfied with the modifications you've made to your table, save your changes. Press Update to ensure everything is published correctly on your live site. View the page in a new tab to verify everything looks as expected. And there you have it, you've successfully added a row to your table in WordPress. This concludes the process. It's a simple yet powerful way to enhance the functionality and presentation of your content. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out our other videos for more WordPress tips and tricks to keep your site running smoothly.